Hi, my YouTube family. How you guys doing today? My name is Estelle, if you've never been to this channel before. And I do beautiful DIY home decors. I do tablescapes, room makeovers, coffee board makeover, forecourt makeovers, just a little bit of everything. I'm going to be doing some more things in the near future that I'm working on. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you are a current subscriber, thank you guys so much. I thank you all so much for helping me reach that 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually a little over. Guys, I was on my break when I realized I had reached the 1,000. But that break is now over, and it's time to get back to work to reach the watch hours now, so your girl can start making some of this YouTube money like so many others. Today, I'm doing makeover on my end tables in my living room, so I'm going to show you that. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you the small tweak that I made to the tablescape, the video that I put out Tuesday. I just made a small change to it, and I'm going to show you guys that. So let's go ahead and get started. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my YouTube family. I appreciate you guys. Let's go. Now, originally, this is what I had on the table right here when I did it Tuesday. But I started looking around my apartment again, found those in a closet, and was like, hey, I like those a little better. So I put these out. I never used these before. I bought these, and I told you I went through a period of not having my own place, so I didn't use a lot of things, but I kind of like how that turned out even better. Now I can put this back where I had it, which is on my coffee candy station. See guys, I had removed that from my coffee candy station. I am putting it back, and I'm going to show you what I did to refresh my end tables in my living room for the fall. This is one of the fall DIYs that I made, and I'm going to use these on the end table here. Sitting one on each side. And this is the DIY floral arrangement that I made. And I'm just going to set that right in the middle. Let's move over to the other end table. For this end table, I'm putting this statue on here, just changing it around a bit. And I'm using my bookends right on the side of this. I forgot to put up the candles on the candle holders, and I got these beautiful candles from, I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. And for my coffee table, it's such a tight fit in my living room, it's a little hard to film the coffee table. Well, I'm gonna try. I look at it like this: tight or not, I'm in here. I have a place to stay after 6 years of not having my own, and Nevada has a very big homeless population, so I thank God that I'm in here. I'm started off where I have my DIY jars. I don't know if you call it a jar, it's like a little stand, and that I just put my greenery in. and some succulents. I've got a pumpkin here that of course matches the color in my living room. I have my DIY beads. Guys, I'm going to show you some about these beads. These are so pretty. Look at the glass on there that I had to drill because I wanted some glass on my beads. I've seen some more since then that are really bigger. They were $60. These didn't cost me $60 to do. So I just used my square beads and some round ones and the glass one and made my own little beads. And I've just got that on my tray here. This tray is a DIY. I spray painted it and just added some little beads, half beads, to make it legs. It was a mirror. I've got this little diamond thing on here because it's the only one I got and I just display it from time to time. This is a DIY also that I did. You know, these are those bath massage things that you get at Dollar Tree. And I just spray painted them my colors. This is 2 bowls that I got from Ross and I just put one on top of the other. And then I just did this on the top to make a little handle for it. I don't think I've ever showed you all these candle holders. Now let me give you an overview of how all 3 tables look.
It was you who started all of this, promising me more with every kiss. Said all you wanted was me, and you're always thinking of me. You told me that you love me, you told me that you love me. But if you love someone, you don't tell them every now and then. If you love someone, you ain't lying about where you've been. You don't leave them hanging out like clothes on a line. Only come around on your sweet time. I'll tell you right now, that ain't how it's done. If you love someone, yeah. If you love someone, I don't think that you know what you want. And I just won't be something that I'm not. No, I ain't gonna fake it. My heart ain't gonna take it, so I won't let you break it. Cause if you love someone, you don't tell them every now and then. If you love someone, you ain't lying about where you've been. You don't leave them hanging out like clothes on a line. Only come around on your sweet time. I'll tell you right now, that ain't how it's done.
Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscriber button. I would really appreciate it. Leave me comments, guys. Make sure you protect your peace. Don't let anybody steal your peace or your joy. Be blessed.
Cause if you love